Hello, my friend. Thank you for joining me here. I am very grateful and deeply thankful to have you here. As I wash these dishes, I remind myself of something deeply important. This moment matters. Not because it's glamorous, not because anyone is watching, but because I am here showing up for my life in a quiet way. Motherhood is not only built in big milestones. It is built in moments like this: standing at the sink, water running, hands moving, breathing slowly, yet breathing intentionally. And as I breathe, I take note of the fact that the breath that I breathe is the life in me. The source of breath, whom I may not personally know, is my source of life. Because without this breath, I do not have life. It's the same for every one of us. But sometimes, through the busyness and the rush and the hectic things that we do, sometimes even the mundane things that we do, we forget that we are breathing. And we may not even take the time to breathe intentionally. We forget that we are who we are because of the breath that we breathe. So each time I remember that, I breathe slowly, I breathe with a smile on my face, and I breathe intentionally. If you are here with me right now, washing dishes in your home, or simply watching me, I want you to know something. You are not behind. You are not failing. You are not invisible. You are a woman who carries a lot, and yet you're still standing. And you're standing strong. And you're standing because you're breathing. So sometimes take a moment and enjoy the breath that's going through your nostrils. Take a slow breath with me, even right now. Take as many slow breaths as you can. As many slow breaths as you want. Whenever, wherever you remember, so long as it's safe. Yeah, I'm saying it's safe because if you are driving or if you are operating any machine or whatever you may be doing that you may not feel it's safe to do that, then of course don't do it. But anytime you think you can, then yes, go ahead and take some deep, slow breaths. And remember, it is this breath, these breaths that are holding you. Let the water wash more than plates. Let it wash off pressure. Let it wash off guilt. Let it wash off expectations that were never meant to sit on your shoulders. Yes, some expectations were never meant to sit on your shoulders, but sometimes we let them. So when you're washing dishes, let the water wash off those expectations that were never meant to sit on your shoulders. You do not need to be perfect to be powerful. You are powerful. I am powerful. We are powerful just as we are. We do not need to do everything to be worthy. We do not need to rush to be successful. Oh, I love this one. We do not need to rush to be successful. And one thing that I have recently embraced very deeply is we do not need to compare ourselves. We do not need to compare our successes with the successes of other women or other mothers. We are allowed to move at a human pace, at our own unique pace. There's a reason that God gave us all different thumbprints because we are all uniquely different. So move at your own human pace. As these dishes get clean, I choose to release the belief that my value is measured by how much I do. No, I'm valuable no matter how much or how less I do. And you are very valuable no matter how much or how less you do. So our value is not measured by how much we do. No, we need to unlearn that. We are valuable because we are here, because we exist, because we are in this lifetime. We are valuable because we love deeply. We are valuable because we keep going even on days when we feel tired. Yes, I'm valuable because I exist. That's all. I'm very valuable because I love deeply. I'm valuable because I keep going even on days I feel tired. Motherhood asks a lot. Motherhood demands a lot. It demands for patience when you are exhausted. It's always asking for strength, even when you feel unsure, even when you feel weak. It's always asking for love, even when you need rest. And still, we show up. We show up no matter what. That matters more than we know. If today feels heavy, this is our permission to soften. You do not need to carry tomorrow right now. Tomorrow will come and we'll take care of her. We do not need to have to solve everything today. No, no need to have to solve every problem today. Yesterday is gone. Let's let it go. Today is here. Let's live in the moments, each and every moment of today. And when tomorrow is here, we'll take care of her and she'll take care of herself with us. We only have to be present in this moment. The dishes do not need perfection. They just need care. Just like you, just like me. You are allowed to care for yourself in quiet ways, in ordinary ways, in moments no one else sees. This is not wasted time. This is grounding time. As I rinse and as I stack, I remind myself that consistency builds life. Not hustle, not pressure, not burnout. Consistency is what builds our lives. Showing up again, choosing peace again, choosing myself again. If your mind starts racing, gently bring her back here. Back to the sound of the water. Back to the movement of your hands. Back to the truth that you are safe in this moment. In every moment of our lives, we are safe. Yes, you are safe right now. You are doing better than you think. Your children do not need a perfect mother. They need a regulated mother, a present mother, a woman who knows how to pause and breathe. And that is something you are learning every single day. There is no rush. No rush at all. Life unfolds in seasons. Some seasons are loud and demanding. Some seasons are quiet and rebuilding. This moment is a rebuilding moment. A moment where you choose calm over chaos, grace over criticism, and presence over pressure. If no one has told you today, let me say clearly, you are enough. You are even more than enough. Not when the house is spotless, not when everything is done, not when you meet someone else's standards. You are enough right now. As I place the clean dishes away, I choose to place my worries down too. I do not need to carry everything at once. I can take life one task, one breath, one moment at a time. This is how strength looks: quiet, steady, unshakable. Motherhood is not small work, even when it looks ordinary, even when it feels repetitive. You are building something meaningful: a home, a rhythm, a sense of safety, and that matters very deeply. You are allowed to slow down without falling behind. You are allowed to rest without losing momentum. Rest is not quitting. Rest is refueling. As the sink slowly clears, let your chest feel lighter. Yes, let your chest feel lighter. And know that you are more than enough. I'm so proud of you. I'm so grateful to have you here. Thank you for joining me today.